How you start your morning sets the tone for the rest of your day, so it's important to make conscious decisions from the get-go. Spicing up your routine with a glass of warm turmeric water could be the colorful concoction you need to kickstart your day. Both turmeric and turmeric water have powerful anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties which can provide numerous health benefits, especially if you combine turmeric water with some lemon juice. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is a potent antioxidant that has incredible health benefits. Here's how to prepare healthy turmeric water. Ingredients: half a lemon, half a teaspoon of turmeric, organic honey, warm water. Preparation: squeeze the lemon juice into a glass, then add some warm water and turmeric and mix everything well. Add some honey to taste, and stir again as the turmeric easily falls down to the bottom of the glass. Drink the mixture immediately. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A great and serious problem is chronic inflammation and causes damage to the tissues of the body. Curcumin, as mentioned before, is the active compound of turmeric and has huge anti-inflammatory properties which have the same level as some of the anti-inflammatory drugs on the market. Reduces the risk of heart disease. Many studies prove that curcumin can prevent plaque accumulation, which can clog arteries, and many other more serious problems such as heart attacks or strokes. In a study, there were 121 participants who needed coronary artery bypass surgery. Before the surgery and after some days, participants took 4 grams of curcumin as a daily dose or placebo. The group which took curcumin had reduced the risk of heart attack by 65%, and these results are pretty much great. Relieves arthritis. Turmeric is able to eliminate harmful free radicals which can cause damage to the body cells because of the antioxidant properties. People who suffer from rheumatoid arthritis consume turmeric regularly and experience huge relief from joint inflammation and joint pains, which are quite delicate. Acts against all types of cancer. Curcumin can prevent the proliferation or survival of approximately all kinds of tumor cells. It is regarded as highly beneficial for everyone who suffers from any type of cancer. Controls the levels of diabetes. Another effect turmeric has is the lowering of insulin resistance and prevents the onset of type 2 diabetes.